want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe, like this video. So what I'm working on today is, one of my buddies brought me his 2002 Ford Lightning, and he just got it off a guy for a really good price, and he wanted me to check it out and figure out why the boost gauge wasn't working. So as you know, you got to pull the instrument cluster out, because it's just like a little vacuum hose that runs to it, and then you can attach it or replace the line if it's broken, whatever. So this is the truck. Very nice truck. Got some minor damage, but nothing that can't be fixed, you know. Very nice truck. You know, right here probably be the most they have to spend on body work, and then this little crack. But as far as that, overall, truck is in good condition. Strong motor. What else? So we're just gonna jump over inside the truck real quick. So, all right, as you can see, I already pulled the trim piece over the cluster and then the cluster itself. So once you get the cluster out, at the back of the cluster, it is this hose right here, this little piece right here where my finger's at. That's where your vacuum line plugs up to. And while I was in there, I found it, as you can see, right here, just sticking up. So when you start the truck, it should sound like somebody whistling at you. But so what we're gonna do is we're going to put it all back together and see if it's working. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I got it all back together, and let's see if the boost gauge is working. So get this charm off. Oh yeah. Working. All right. Now we can finish putting this back together, and then I can check his front suspension and give his truck back.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you topless. They get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my L's and turned them to lessons. I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need the top, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad at me. Cannot slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Yeah, ooh, I'm moving faster than lightning. I can't close on my eyes, too excited. It's the fruit of what you get for trying. Don't be selling no more, I'm just buying. I got two of everything that you eyeing. Put my boots on and turn to a giant. This is fact, ain't no fictional writing. If I somewhere on the island. I came up in a war zone where it's violent. Either end up a victim or a tyrant. Nobody did it like this, nobody ever.